welcome to another video. I hope you're all well, and if you're not, I hope that this video cheers you up, and yeah, I hope you're feeling well after this. It is Bank Holiday Monday and we have just pulled up at, I'm just trying to find what it's called, Talaika, I think it's called Talaika Beach. So yeah, we've just managed to find a parking space, and it is actually not bad price. It's £5 for the day for parking, so I think Aiden's just going to go and sort that. Both the kids are asleep and it's 12:20, so we'll see if we can, although we don't want to take the pram because we're going on the beach, we'll just sort ourselves out and then wake them up. Ash just going to go in the carrier, and we've bought some like buckets and spades for Todd to play with on the beach. But yeah, it's just going to be a nice little family day today, and I'm excited. It said it was going to rain, but the sky looks blue, a little bit cloudy, but it did spit on the way here, so I'm hoping that's it for rain, and it's just going to be maybe a little bit blowy but dry. But if not, we have got our waterproofs. But anyway, I will get ready and get out of the car now. But yeah, I hope you enjoy this video.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope.
Ready? Shoot!
Fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream away. Standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere. Maybe there is a star with your name. Alone is that.
The beach. It's 4 PM and we've just stopped at a little local pub to the beach to get some food and tea. We've ordered fish and chips because it wouldn't be a day at the beach without fish and chips. And yeah, we've got some colouring for Todd. Some colouring for Todd and his little like crayons. And Asta's just happy chewing on a menu and chatting to herself. Look, Sassy. Sassy. Hi. Oh, John is back.
Go play tennis.
Good job. But yeah, we had a lovely time at the beach. Todd got absolutely soaked, he fell over in the sea. You'll have seen some of the little clips I managed to catch on my phone. But we're definitely going to have to buy like a wetsuit and just be more prepared for the beach. So we're going to write a list on the way home of like things that we want to get, like beach stuff. So yeah, that's on the list to do. But yeah, we're just waiting for our food and I'm very excited for fish and chips. Tuesday morning and we came home yesterday evening. Todd and Asta fell asleep in the car. We popped to the shops on the way home just to pick up just a couple of little snacky bits for the evening, and then we transferred the kids from the car to bed and watched some of like, is it the Fury, I don't know, whatever, Tyson's Fury's programme on Netflix. And yeah, the kids fell asleep super early, but they didn't get up until like 7:30 today. So they slept like a good 14 hours. But I am shattered today because I just couldn't get to sleep last night. I'm also freezing cold. It's 14 degrees outside and it feels far colder than that. Hi! It feels far colder than 14 degrees. So I've got a big thick jumper on. But yeah, I'm just deciding whether to go to the gym or not, and then I think we might head to Trafford Centre today. I'm not 100% sure, or I'm not 100% sure, even though I'm the one that's been mithering to go. But yeah, so currently no plans set in stone, although Aidan would like to get some canes for the garden. But I'm just going to go sort Sassy out. Now, Wednesday. We did end up going to the Trafford Centre yesterday. We bought a few little bits that I will show you later on, but like I was going to say, we didn't really buy much at all. Just a pair of socks for Todd, or like a pack of socks even, a new top for Aidan, careful, and then just, I also got a couple of swimming costumes, and I picked up the autumn oil scent from the White Company to put into my diffuser. And that is pretty much all we...
Mummy.
Yes, darling?
Go outside.
Do you want to go to the garden centre in a bit?
No.
Oh.
Put play outside and to what this.
Right, okay. Well, put some pants on and you can go outside.
No.
Well, then we can't go outside then, can we?
Like put outside
Hmm.
and come back inside
Hmm.
and likely to faster in the jar and likely to faster to what this.
Go fast in the car to the tractor place after you've been outside.
Yeah, me what to let me pick what from what place
Right.
fits in the dark.
So yeah, we got in, both kids fell asleep and again transferred to bed. I think we got in about 6:30, no, a bit before 6:30. And they slept till 7:30 and 8:30 this morning. Todd woke up at 7:30, Asta at 8:30. So Asta's just down for a nap now, upstairs with Aidan, and I'm downstairs with Todd, who's just decided to go out pantless in the garden. But yeah, he's just asked to eat some biscuits, so he's opened the tin and had one. I've just sterilised the breast pump stuff, and yeah, he's asked Aidan this morning to go to the garden centre, but he just keeps now going on about a tractor place, and I think it's from a couple of months ago we went to somewhere with our friends, but I'm not driving there today because it's like an hour, it's like 45 minutes to an hour away. Oh babe, we don't need the hose pipe out. It's rained a lot. Todd, it rained a lot last night. But yeah, that is pretty much all we have done. I'm just having a little flick through some of the Mary Berry books that I've got. Currently reading Family Sunday Lunches. And trying to think of dairy alternatives to switch up some of the ingredients for some of the recipes. but I would really, really love to buy one of like the Le Creuset like casserole pots, like dishes type things, cast iron ones. 'Cause I think that would be beautiful to like make lots of like homely, hearty meals this autumn winter. But yeah, I'm just so ready for autumn winter now. I had the heating set on in the car yesterday to 25 and it was beautiful, and the day before I was absolutely freezing. I was like putting my big thick coat on and a jumper. Todd, no. So yeah, I'm all in the autumn winter spirit already. And yeah, I think we're a couple of days away from the 1st of September. I really want to go and find my pumpkin cups from the storage unit at some point. I think we're going to do it next week or the week after. But yeah, I'm just so ready for autumn now. This time of year really excites me. But yeah, anyway, I'm going to go and try and stop Todd from completely turning my grass into a swamp and encourage him to put some plants on.
Gonna stay in this moment, gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely, I am finally home at last. And I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no. 'Cause the best thing about it is I know I'm coming back. Oh, oh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true, no matter where I go, I'm coming
Keep the
home
light
to
on
you.
too. We're back from the garden centre. I think Aidan said he got a few little clips on the camera, which I've not watched back yet. Obviously you'll have already watched them by the time you're watching this, but at this moment in time I haven't seen them. Careful of fingers. Oh, thank you, Todd. The kids are just playing with, well, not playing, like turning on and off the fan, and Toddy's blowing Asta's hair and she's loving it. Aiden's popped to the shop to go and get ingredients to make Jamaican beef patties for tea. Hopefully we've got enough time to make them, because I'm thinking an hour and the kids are going to be asleep. That's certainly how I feel anyway.
Hello.
But yeah, we just went to the garden centre,
Mommy.
played in the sandpit and on the park, grabbed a bite to eat. Todd got like a kid's little lunchbox, and you could choose like a sandwich and then like a yogurt, an apple, and he chose a mini block of cheese
Me.
and a bottle of water. Thank you.
Think been around like you have longer.
Longer?
Yeah.
Wow. If that makes my hair grow, that's amazing.
See your belly.
Oh, and my belly makes my belly grow.
Yeah.
Oh, thanks.
Wait, like wigs.
Like a bridge.
Yeah, shut stuff through.
Wow.
And top up.
But yeah, this is pretty much the end of our few days off with Aidan. I'm not entirely sure what time he starts in the morning. Probably around 5 AM. So we'll be leaving the house at about 4:15 in the morning to take him to work. And I'll just pick the kids up, transfer them to the car, and then they'll sleep the whole way and transfer back to bed. when we get home. So yeah, that is pretty much our evening. Eat tea, make tea, eat tea, and then get the kids ready for bed and head to bed. I'm exhausted. The living room currently looks like a bit of a mess. Actually, it's quite reasonable, I would say. I'm going to do a wash load before I go to bed and get that hung on the airer. Careful! But other than that, I might just end this video here. I hope you are all feeling really well. Have a lovely week. And yeah, if you aren't having a lovely week, just remember it is only temporary. Things change and it will get better. And yeah, I will see you with another video very soon. Hi, Todd. Hi. 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 Oh, Asta, hi. Todd, hi.
You turn it on for Ada.
You want me to show Asta now? Hi. Hi.
Me.
Hello, Sass.
I love us.
Hi, Sass. Dada? Oh, Todd say peekaboo.
Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Peekaboo.